Hello, third graders and third grade families. It is Miss Snell here. I hope everyone enjoyed our early break. Hopefully, it's not too stressful for you guys. There has been a change that has come about yesterday afternoon to our daily meeting times, and will now all meet daily from 9:30 to 10:30, and we are going to meet in the Google Classroom. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. I know third graders, you guys know how to get there, but the Google Classroom, you're going to hit your waffle icon and you're going to open the classroom. And when you open the classroom, our Meet link is going to be right here. You're just going to click on that link and you should meet us there. Like I said in the class, anytime we ever meet, you're just going to click right there. So parents, if we have a meet scheduled, that's the link we go to, and you do need to be signed in under your kid's account to get there. So please make sure that you go ahead and do that. And if you don't know your kid's account, it should be on a sticker on their home folder, or you can ask me and I should have that information as well. So that is the first thing. Second thing, if you have not joined Miss Hall's art class, you will need to go back to your waffle icon over there. A lot of you, I think, have that in your classroom, but if you haven't, you're going to go to classroom and you are going to add her. I'll get there again. Go to the classroom and you are going to hit the plus button over here and you are going to join a class. Her code, I will go ahead and send that to you. It's going to be in the link at the bottom of this video in the chat box. So again, you're going to hit that join class. You're going to enter her code if you're new here or you do not have that code. She has a lot of submissions that need to be voted on for the yearbook. So please make sure to check that out and vote for what you want your yearbook to look like. Okay, so when we meet daily from 9:30 to 10:30, please have paper and pencil with you or something to write with. It doesn't have to be a pencil or a dry erase board. We use those a lot in class. If you happen to have one at home, grab that. So we are going to need that when we meet daily. So again, it's going to be in the Google Classroom. We're going to go to that link right there. Then if you need to join Miss Hall's class, you are going to go back to your waffle icon over here. Go to your classroom. Click that plus button and enter the code to join that is in the chat box below. All right, the next thing I want to make sure that you do, I sent all of your parents you have gotten sent, if you're not logged in already, the extra math. I sent that flyer home kind of at the beginning of the year. It's our fluency practice that we do, and it's really important that your kids do this every day. And you are going to go down to that enroll right there, enroll with code from your child's flyer. Again, you got a flyer with a code in there, and it should have their practice that they've been doing in class, and you can actually see reports of where their fluency is at. Some of you, I know I shared that with you during conferences, but that's really important that you do at least about 10 minutes of that a day. All right, so we've seen our classroom, we have seen our extra math. The next thing I want to make sure that you guys do is you're able to get into Clever. Again, kids, my view is going to be a lot different than yours, and I don't have access to a student view from my computer. I wish I could show you. But you're going to log in here, and you're going to log in with your Google account or your GAF account. So that's how you're going to do that. We're going to use that a lot the first week back from school. So if you can't get in that, please let me know today. All right. Also, parents, I'm going to be emailing you guys the answer keys for our math homework. Since we are meeting an hour a day, I'm going to take about half an hour to go over math and half an hour for language art assignments. So hopefully that should be a good transition for you guys. But if you want to check your kids' work, please do that. I'll try to send that to you in one file. I have them all in a document right now. It's just I've been having some sending issues with it, so I might have to send it to you daily or in 5 emails. I'll see which is going to be easier on my test run. Okay, I think that's it. I wish you guys all the very, very best of holidays. I miss you a ton, kids. I know we left kind of short and abruptly, but have a great holiday. Have a good break. Learn something new. Do something. I can't wait to hear your news when we return after the new year. Let me know again if you have any questions.